Hi, my name is Turing Koshi, and I'm the founder of the Nonprofit Operating System. In this video and the series of videos, I'll be going through each of the prompts that are available inside the content engine, and today we'll be talking about the AIDA copywriting model. So if you're not familiar with the AIDA copywriting formula, this is attention, interest, desire, and action. It's a way to frame your content so that you can flesh out the ideas a bit more, maybe get collaborators involved. And with all of these videos, as you've probably seen, I will not be editing the video. So there may be, particularly with this one, there may be outputs that are not ideal. And so what we're hoping for in these videos is to kind of show you the use case, but also for you to understand that you can run these models multiple times until you get a result that you like, but also that the idea of the model will be helpful for you in generating new ideas. So let's take the AIDA copywriting model out for a spin, and let's say, remember, you don't have to put in nonprofit. So let's say you are a performing arts organization with innovative programming for kids in theater. So that's the idea that we want to do. Maybe this will work, maybe it won't. More keywords are going to be helpful as the model continues to learn, but also as it tries to get the result for you. So what this result has done is actually filled out the details of the AIDA copywriting model. So it's not exactly what I wanted it to do, but it's helpful in some regard. So it's giving me the instruction of how to create awareness. In order to get people interested in your innovative programming, you'll need to get the word out there, use social media. Not terribly exciting, but it's helpful in some ways. So then it talks about making it accessible. That's how you get interest, and then get feedback and make improvements. Make sure you get the feedback. This will help the program get even better, but also show that you're constantly working to improve and grow. I didn't love this one, so I'm going to mark this with a thumbs down, and I'm going to hit run again. Within the platform, you can do this an infinite number of times as it continues to learn, and this one is a little bit better from an AIDA perspective. So it tells me awareness, interest, desire, action, and it tells me exactly what we want to do. Is this revolutionary? Absolutely not. But if you're thinking about it from the copywriting model, how are we going to build the text of this out? This is a great way to hit copy, throw this in an email, and then have it as an agenda for people to brainstorm around. How do we get people to become aware of our programming? How do we develop interest? How do we get people to desire to be part of the programming, and what is the action that they're going to take? So that simple copywriting framework is really powerful. It's been used for decades. What I would suggest is actually using the edit function here to add in a few more details that are specific to your organization, and then move forward to be able to work together as a team to build out what are those different pieces that you'll create. One other tip is that you can take those awareness bits or interest bits and run that language through one of the other models and be able to use that for the purposes of fleshing out the content in more detail. So for example, if you wanted to raise awareness about your innovative programming, depending on what that innovative programming is, I would take that and throw it into the next model, which is blog ideas. And now you'll get a series of different blog ideas for whatever the innovative programming is. And you can then take that content and put it into the blog writing model to get the blog post started on the innovative programming for kids blog post or social media posts that you would then write. So check out the other models, check out the other videos to see the different use cases that would help your organization move from this model into the actual content itself. As always, I hope this is helpful. Please send any feedback to hello@nonprofitoperating system.com.